Welcome to today's Explainer. Right now, we're diving into a genuine mathematical mystery. It's this wild, fascinating space where equations that look totally, completely unsolvable actually have these hidden, perfect solutions just waiting to be discovered. Section 1. The Mathematical Mystery. Okay, so mathematicians confidently insist that every single polynomial equation always has a solution. Like, it's a bedrock assumption of the entire field. But if you've ever actually crunched the numbers on certain equations, you've probably hit a brick wall where there seem to be absolutely no real number solutions at all. So what's going on here? How can an unsolvable equation actually have a solution? How can both of these things be true at the exact same time? Take this highly specific equation, for example, x squared plus 1 equals 0. Try to solve that using the everyday numbers you're used to. Well, by subtracting 1 from both sides, you're basically looking for a number that, when multiplied by itself, equals -1. But wait, a positive times a positive is positive, right? And a negative times a negative is also positive. So using our standard math toolkit, this is a complete dead-end roadblock. But hey, mathematics doesn't really settle for dead ends. Section 2, the Fundamental Theorem. So the Fundamental Theorem of Algebra states that every non-constant polynomial equation with complex coefficients has at least one root or solution in the complex number system. I know that sounds like a bit of a mouthful, but the absolutely crucial point here is expansion. By simply expanding our number system to include complex numbers, specifically that little imaginary unit I, we guarantee that a solution always, literally without fail, exists. This brilliantly illustrates the massive difference that expansion makes. If we stick strictly to our familiar real number system, feeding our mystery equation into it gives us exactly 0 solutions. Absolutely nothing. But when we step over into the complex number system, well, the theorem works its absolute magic. It brilliantly yields exactly 2 perfect solutions for our equation, positive I and negative I. Just like that, the whole paradox vanishes entirely. Section 3. The Rule of N Roots. This simple little letter, n, represents a wonderfully powerful concept. The rule tells us that a polynomial of degree n always has exactly n roots. It's like a perfectly balanced scale. If your highest exponent is a 2, you have exactly 2 roots. If it's a 5, you've got exactly 5 roots, no exceptions. When you account for complex numbers and repeated roots, this rule is completely foolproof. The math balances out perfectly every single time. Section 4. Real-world engineering. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, okay, this is just abstract math. But actually, these complex numbers literally build the modern world. In fields like signal processing and control systems engineering, complex numbers are an absolute must-have because they beautifully describe oscillations and they're used to guarantee system stability. And it doesn't stop there. In electrical engineering, professionals rely heavily on circuit analysis using what's known as complex impedance. So yeah, these aren't just theoretical, made-up numbers on a chalkboard. They're the literal mathematical foundation that keeps our everyday electronic devices perfectly stable and our networks running without a hitch. And even beyond physical engineering, if we zoom back out to pure mathematics, this theorem is the absolute bedrock foundation for modern algebra. It essentially guarantees that polynomial equations are always solvable within a completely consistent, unified number system. It creates this beautiful closed loop where every single algebraic question of this type is guaranteed to have a solid, mathematically sound answer. Section 5. What comes next? So, we've totally conquered polynomials today, right? But what about the basic building blocks of the numbers themselves? Think about it. Can every single whole number be broken down uniquely into its own set of prime building blocks? Well, that is the fascinating mystery of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I really hope today's deep dive sparked your curiosity and leaves you wanting to explore even more of the incredible hidden roles that run our universe.